So in terms of our achievements for the year, obviously really significant. A key focus on Mildura, getting that facility completed and licensed, so we've made tremendous headway in that regard. You may have seen that we did receive some unexpected publicity in the recent weeks with our bloom over Mildura, with the blackout blinds being left open. It did bring worldwide attention to what we're doing in Mildura, which is world-leading technology.
So a couple of the things that we've achieved this year at Cann have been the obtaining of our GMP licences at both the southern facility and at the Mildura facility, which has been really good because it's obviously meant that we can sell products that are GMP licensed, and that's been a big impact for the company.
I think the other really important step we've made is that, terrific growth in sales, and then also the commencement of the registration program for our S3 over-the-counter CBD product under the Satipharm brand, and then also signing an agreement with GSK Consumer Healthcare, who have recently renamed the business to be called Haleon. That's again great validation of the products we've got and the program we're putting forward to take a registered product into Australian pharmacies sometime next year.
The big thing that we're doing at the moment is installing the automation systems. The ability to move tables in and out of rooms without people needing to be in there will be magnificent for the company. There are plenty of other automation systems that we're putting in, automating the watering and the feeding of the plants. It's a pretty high-tech facility.
We were excited to have the continued support of the National Australia Bank throughout this year. We successfully renegotiated our $50 million construction facility and established a $15 million working capital facility. So this will benefit the company because we were able to renegotiate lower interest rates on the facility and a reduced facility fee.
We're developing new contract cultivation and research capabilities or service offerings through our facility, which we'll be offering both to Australian and international customers who are working with us already.
So the next 6 to 12 months, obviously huge focus again on the Mildura facility as we bring more manufacturing and more cultivation online.
As our investors will know, we purchased the Satipharm business in 2021, and that included the procurement of a manufacturing line which we put into our Mildura facility. And again, we've made great progress there with that manufacturing line as we've commenced manufacturing our capsules, started our stability program, and aiming to have product available for release towards the back end of this calendar year. And then we'll start transforming that into capsules containing THC as well as CBD, which will again be a transformational step around patients, the access that patients will have to more traditional styles of a pharmaceutical medicinal cannabis product.
The team in Mildura has grown really quickly. We've relocated one of our engineers to Mildura. Russell McGifford's doing an awesome job as the operations manager up here, and he's growing a really good team and a really fantastic culture.
We do aim to be an employer of choice in the region, and it's great to see the team and the culture we're building in Mildura, that they definitely have something to be proud of. We all have something to be proud of in terms of what we've achieved up there.
The business really appreciates the support we get from our investors. We enjoy providing the updates, and particularly as we're making such good progress each month now, I hope the investors enjoy the updates we're providing, and we'll continue to do that at our annual general meeting later this year.
We're more than 27,000 shareholders on our registry. We know that each and every person is very interested and invested in the success of the company, and we're just delighted to be able to continue to grow the company and hopefully make everybody some money.
It's a super exciting year here at Cann, and we're looking forward to another great year for ourselves and our investors.